If you are in a dispute with your employer, should you use ChatGPT or another AI to draft your demand letter? Hi, I'm Tom Spiggle with the Spiggle Law Firm. We help people who've been fired or afraid that they might be. So I'm a big fan of using AI to help educate you about employment law, assuming you're not an attorney and you don't have one, to help you draft correspondence. I do not think it's necessarily a bad idea to have ChatGPT help you draft a demand letter. But here's the thing. Employers are on to this. And so if you work for a company and you're not a writer, you're not known for a turn of phrase, nor are you an attorney, and all of a sudden you show up with a 5-page single-spaced letter that includes legal citations, then opposing counsel, they know what they're doing with the company, is going to know that you ChatGPT or another AI to write it. And here's the thing about AI. They are still getting things wrong. I get it. They work so fast. They're so convincing that they, can fool a lot of people. It's even fooled me. But a lot of times when you look under the hood, the citations that it has, sometimes the legal reasoning is just wrong. And you wouldn't know that necessarily by reading it because it looks so good. So just be careful with it. If you do that and opposing counsel knows it, well, they've sort of called your bluff now. They know you're using ChatGPT, and that's not really going to advantage you. Can you use it to help, you draft it, to kind of tone the language or put it in a, kind of a different frame? Yeah, it can be helpful doing that. But I would, look, unless you've researched the issues, unless it's in your own voice, I think it's always worth hiring an attorney, even to just look it over to make sure that it's actually legit. Because if you come forward with one of these letters and it's got mistakes in it that you don't recognize, then you're going to lose a lot of credibility with your employer.